PyCharm interpreter. So first of all, so basically the concept of this video is to make a model within 10 lines of code and using the GTTS package as I've told earlier. So we are going to use GTTS. From GTTS import GTS. So this is basically Google text to speech package. So then I'm going to import OS. For OS I'm importing for reading and writing the files, that is text file and reading the text file and writing the .mp3 file, that is my output file. So first of all I'm going to create a text file in my project folder. So let's name it test.txt. So I'm going to write some sample text. So let's take it from the net. Let's take it and write it over here. So now as you can read it like this. So basically I forgot to tell you, like you can go through the online documentation of GTTS package and you will get to know about many things in this documentation, like how you can change the pitch of the voice of your model, how you can change the amplitude and many other modifications you can do. So this was test.txt that my model is going to read. Now I'll come to my main.py. So now I'll define the file, open my file location, that is test.py, test.text, and it is going to be in read format. So I'll write R. Now file text. So this is going to read the text that the file is containing. So file dot read. And yes, the most important thing, I'm going to replace all the new line characters with an empty space. So all the new line characters with an empty space. So why I'm replacing this? Why I'm writing this line? So as you can see in my test.txt file, there is one, two, next line, that is new line characters. I don't want that my model should read it /n, because my model will read it as a new line. So I want to replace all the new line characters uh, as a empty space, white space. So I'm writing it like this. So next line, I'm going to define the language of my model, of my speaker, more precisely. So language is going to be English. There are many other language options you can choose, like Spanish, German, many other are there. So you should go through the documentation for changing the language. So EN stands for English. So now I'm going to define the output as output is equal to, I'm going to use the GTTS and I'm going to give it the text which I want that model should read. So text is going to be file text that I have defined earlier, and I'm going to define this parameter language, and I have also defined it earlier, and one more parameter slow, that I don't want my model to be slow. And I'm going to save my file and let's give it output dot save. Let's give it the name output.mp3. Output.mp3. And now I'm going to close my file. So if my model is ready with an mp3 file, I'm going to close my file. So now after this, now when my file is ready, I'm going to use the OS to read the file. That is os.system start my file, start output.mp3. So as you can see, I've completed the code within 9 lines. So within 10 lines of code, you are ready with a beautiful model that is converting your text into your audio. So you are ready with your own audiobook. So yes, so let's run it. So it is running. It will take some time. Let's wait.
Python is an interpreted, high-level and general-purpose programming language, created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Python's design philosophy emphasizes code readability with its notable use of significant white space.
So it was awesome, right? So it has, so as you can see, my output.mp3 file is ready. So it was awesome. Like within 9 lines of code, we have created such a beautiful model that is reading all the text line by line. So I hope that you like this video. So keep innovating, keep coding, and thank you.